I bring you good news that will make us some money. It's that time of the month when we position ourselves to be earning quarterly passive income payment from the government. How? By investing in FGN savings bond, and the one for November just opened, and in this community we don't miss out. And this time around it has become easier, like very easy for you to invest in FGN savings bond, because on Afrinvest now you can seamlessly do it in less than 1 minute. Trust me, I'm going to show you how. In this video I'm going to explain what savings bond mean, how you can key in, how you make money from it, the interest calculation, and I'm going to share my screen here to show you how to key into this on Afrinvest. Let's dive in. But if you're meeting for the first time, I'm Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a licensed dealer in the Nigerian stock market, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. You are on the side of YouTube where we are all about leveling up financially, investment, side hustle, passive income. If you like those kind of things, hit the subscription button right away. So first off, what's FGN savings bond? This is an attempt by the government to help us to save better, invest better with small amounts. With as little as 5,000 naira, you can key into this. How does it work? It comes up every month, first week of the month, usually Monday, from first Monday to Friday of the month. The one for November is currently ongoing, and Friday is going to be closing. Now, why some people love this is because the interest payment, unlike other investment, the interest payment for savings bond comes in 4 times in a year. That is every quarter. So aside the fact that you need small capital, just 5,000 naira only to invest in it, you're going to be getting periodic payment from the government. Yes, some people in this Nigeria, they have planned it in a way that every single month they are getting passive income, because if you invest at least 3 different months in savings bond, you've qualified to be getting paid monthly. Another thing you should note that it is a long-term investment. It has 2 tenors. You either invest for 2 years or 3 years. It depends. The longer you leave it, the more interest you are going to make from it. So I'm going to show you now the offer for this month, and we'll use that to look at the different things you should note about it, including the interest payment. So now this is the offer for subscription, debt management office on behalf of the federal government of Nigeria. So now look at the 2 tenors here. For 2 years, 2-year FGN savings bond due in November 12, that is 2027. If you invest now, your money is going to mature in 2 years time. The interest payment for it is 13.565%. That's for 2 years. For example, now if you invest 1 million in these 2 years at this interest rate, you are going to get about 135,000 naira every year, but it's going to be divided into 4 quarterly payments of 33,000 each. The second one now, the one for 3 years, is going to be making 14.565% for you. If you invest now, let's assume you invest 1 million, that is 145,650 every year, divided into quarterly payments of 36,000. The opening date, it's opened on November 3rd and it's closing on November 7th. Settlement date, that's for when it will start reading. Now the coupon payment, that's the interest payment. Remember I said you're going to be getting paid quarterly. February 12th, May 12th, August 12th, November 12th. So if you invest this month on, these different dates is when you should be expecting your payment. What are other things you should note? Like I say, the minimum subscription is 5,000 naira, and then the maximum is 50 million. Quarterly interest payments, I have mentioned this. And redemption, you have to wait till maturity for the redemption. Now this month offer, if you notice, the interest rates are beginning to drop. Earlier this year we had this interest rate as high as 18%, 17%. But then for some people that like low risk investment, because when you invest with the government, it's a low risk offer, this can still be a nice one for them, right? But then if you're looking for a more aggressive investment opportunities, then savings bond may not be the end thing for you, particularly this one. Or you don't like the periodic payment, because I know some people like getting their money in bulk. Look at this one now. For 1 million, your interest will be like 135k yearly, but even at that, you are getting it divided into 30-something thousand naira each quarter. Some people might not like it, but if it's something you like, why not go ahead? I have people that have run it in a way that they use it as a sort of salary payment for themselves every single month, right, for their upkeep, and it works for them. Or people that have retired, this is also a great option for them. But for those of us that are looking looking for more aggressive investment, there are other options: commercial paper, stock. In fact, in our Web Builders Academy starting this Saturday, yes, this Saturday that is coming, just few days to go, we are going to be looking at different investment opportunities, and I'll be sharing a list, yes, a list of stock you should invest in before 2026, because there are stock investment that we've looked at based on what is happening in the economy, fundamental analysis, the actions governments are taking. We know that this stock, oh, they're going to do well next year when all of the plans are in place. We will be sharing this list with those in the academy. If you have not joined that academy, what are you waiting for? It's only 35,000 naira, and this is the last cohort. Let me even say it now. The last cohort, the academy is going for 35k. From next year, it's worth 55,000. So yeah, make sure you follow the link on description or comment link. Yeah, just comment link. I will share the link for you to join the World Builders Academy. Registration closes in like 2-3 days time because classes starts this Saturday. So back to FGN savings bond. I want to show you now how you can key in. For you to key in, you have to go through a brokerage firm. Before now, many of us, you have to fill form and then upload. No, this time around on Afrinvest 2.0 is very seamless, very simple. So far you have an account with them, Afrinvest 2.0 is owned by Afrinvest West Africa. So far you have an account with them, just log into your account. I'm going to show you, that's no long talk, let me show you how it works. So when you come into your Afrinvestor here, you go to invest. Under invest, you will see FGN savings bond, right? You click on explore bonds. Now these are the two options, the one for 2 years and the one for 3 years. This is still ongoing, so you see it there, but once it closes you will not see it. So let's say we want to invest in this one of 2 years. It will still show you the details, the open date, the close date, the coupon rate, that's the interest payment and all. Okay, now if you come to this side, enter an amount to invest. Let's say I want to invest 5,000 naira. Remember, with as little as 5,000 you can invest, that's the minimum, and then tenure is 2 years. Do you have enough money? Yes, I have enough money in my wallet. So once you've confirmed that this is fine, just click on buy FGN savings bond and instantly it's going to buy for you, and that is it. Simple and sweet. So in summary, FGN savings bond with as little as 5,000 you can invest. It happens every month, usually first week of the month. So even if you miss this one, other months that are coming, just target the first week, that is from Monday to Friday. You can invest through any brokerage firm. In this case, we use Afrinvest 2.0 to key in. The interest come in every quarter. You either invest for 2 or 3 years. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you have not, go to the comments now, comment link to join our World Builders Academy, and we have a calculator that is used to calculate your interest payment for an FGN savings bond. You'll be getting that in the academy as well. Let me know if you have any questions.